How do you prefer to learn? What's the best way for you to improve your skills, your attitude, and your behaviors as you go throughout your career? A lot of people prefer videos. If it's a simple skill, maybe you can search YouTube like this, find a great tip, and dive right into it. If it's something more complicated like a sales call, maybe you need a live role play, a back and forth with a coach, or somebody to watch one of your calls and have a conversation with you. Maybe you like long-form podcasts. I host the How to Succeed podcast for Sandler. There's over 600 episodes with thought leaders talking about the attitudes, behaviors, and techniques that will help you get to the top. It's great for reinforcement and great for ideas and awareness and maybe some knowledge of how to do things audio-wise. But think about what's the best medium for you? How do you prefer to learn? How do you continue to upgrade your skills? And what's the right medium for the right skill? Again, if it's a human-to-human conversation, maybe it needs to be with a human. If it's a digital conversation, maybe that can be digital, or a quick video will help you out. I'd love to hear what your thoughts are in the comments below.